Hi, my name is Constantine. I'm from Prosperity, from the sales team. Very pleasure to meet you. Generally, I want to talk about Prosperity and what we've been doing lately. A lot of focus on innovation, about making denim in a better way, contributing in the best way possible to make a product that can be as low impact as possible. We focused a lot on new dyeing techniques, such as our 3D dye technique, which is a special dyeing technique which allows for easier wash downs, better laserability or laser definition, combined of course with some very special yarn technology to give very easy results. A lot of input of course is also coming in the field of special elasticity and high elasticity, and also we've worked a lot on what we call our Leave No Trace project, which is a project that for whatever reason, if a product ends up in the ground, it will eventually disappear by using degradable spandexes together also with degradable polyesters, which is something which is very, very, very important today. As far as, of course, cotton is concerned, there's a lot of input as far as post-consumer and post-industrial waste cotton, with very high contribution into our products, arriving to high percentages. And then also we're trying to use less cotton, combining it and blending it with other technologies. One of these, of course, is a technology coming from the north of Europe, which we are using. It's using wood pulp again, but combined with recycled textiles to create a very interesting rayon. So giving you a very special hand feel, but also with this very special contribution. So if that was very fast, but in 1 minute, it's a very quick introduction of what we've been working on and what we've been doing. That's it. Any other questions?
So what are the latest innovations you are showcasing in this exhibition?
So in this exhibition, as I mentioned before, we have one of our newest blues. We call it Avatar Blue. And Avatar Blue is replicating one of our older high dip indigos, which was done with powder. Today it's done in only 4 dips, replicating the super dark shade, and again, of course, giving us the possibility of having many wash downs. So again, if you compare the old to the new, it comes back down to water savings, comparing, of course, Prosperity to Prosperity. So we can talk about 40% water savings based on our own old darkest indigo compared with the newest one. So we have focused a lot on how we can renew what we were doing in a better way, right? So again, it comes back to the major word being contribution. So contributing and making a better denim for tomorrow.
How do you see the growth of the denim in Bangladesh?
Well, Bangladesh is booming. I mean, we've known that forever, and I think Bangladesh has been, will be, and will forever be one of the strongest destinations for denim manufacturing. I mean, garmenting over here is at very high levels. The investments done from many of the companies over here are exceptional. The quality of the product coming out is very good. So actually we're very happy to be able to participate in this market. We're very happy to be able to sell to this market our materials. And of course we're very happy of the end result coming out in garment form from Bangladesh. It's something to be very proud of as Bangladesh as a country. Personally, I've followed Bangladesh for many, many years, and the evolution year on year is always better and better. Very impressive.
So we know that sustainability is one of the core concerns from all the sides. So how do you maintain the sustainability for the Prosperity?
Well, you know, I can again respond in a personal way and then adapt it to Prosperity, but what I always say is the most innovative product is the one we will do. So we always challenge ourselves to make a product better than what it was before. I gave you the example before of the dyeing technique, whereas now I also gave you the example about using less cotton and using new fibers, new technology, and new yarns so that we can come up with what can become the most sustainable product of the time. Circularity, of course, is super important, but we're also looking at degradability just in case that something has to come to the end of its life. So
any message for the visitors?
Well, first of all, it's great to be back to Bangladesh. Thanks for having us back. It's an honor to be here. Please come and see Prosperity. We have a very interesting product and story to share with you, and really the innovation is at great levels. And then again, the Bangladesh Denim Expo, as always, a huge success. Happy to be part of it, and thanking the organizers.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.